Today marks exactly 1 month since Arkansas saw its first case of COVID-19. And while it may feel like much longer than that, we've all been through a lot since March 11th. Tonight, we look back at how much things have changed in just 1 month.
Coronavirus has made its way to Arkansas as the state health department confirmed the first presumptive case in the state today.
It's a thing that we knew would happen. We wish it wouldn't have happened here, of course.
Jefferson Regional Medical Center in Pine Bluff has become ground zero for the coronavirus in Arkansas.
In this day and age of free travel, it was inevitable.
The last 48 hours has been a whirlwind. Overnight, I was advised that we have 5 additional presumptive positives.
It's just such an eerie feeling. Normally, we would expect the Razorbacks to be playing right now. They were supposed to be taking on South Carolina tonight at this very moment, but as you can see behind me, Bridgestone Arena is completely empty. There are no fans, no players, no nothing, as the SEC tournament was really the first domino to fall before the NCAA tournament was officially canceled.
This means that there are individuals in the community who are infected with COVID-19 who we don't know about, one of whom transmitted it to this individual.
The City of Little Rock will also implement a nightly, citywide curfew from midnight until 5 a.m.
But because of the increased community spread that we have seen, bars and restaurants will be closed for dine-in service and open for carry-out, drive-through, and delivery.
We're just trying to practice what we preach here at TV 11 about, keeping a safe distance. We'll be doing newscasts with as few people as possible here in the studio.
Planned to start back to school after spring break. Given that that is now delayed for at least another 3 weeks, we are looking at all the options.
We begin with breaking news just into the THV 11 newsroom. We're learning that Arkansas now has its first COVID-19 related death. According to the Faulkner County Deputy Coroner, a 91-year-old man died from the virus this morning at Conway Regional Medical Center.
We're still getting testing results, but it is not the significant increase in testing that we wished. And so we're continuing to fight through the national shortages.
More of these reports are coming from commercial labs being reported to us. That's a good sign. It means our testing capacity as a state is really increasing quite a bit.
18 people have now lost their lives to complications from COVID-19. But there's some positive news here. Officials tell us 152 people have recovered. While the number of cases continues to rise, so does the state's ability to test people for the virus.
You can see I am at my home, and it's where you'll catch me here at 6:30 Central from time to time as we all work to socially distance ourselves from each other and comply with the guidelines that are in place. So bear with me, bear with us as we get through this newscast and this crisis definitely together.